I once got a fortune cookie that said, "You will come into a lot of money." And I did, when I found $1 in the washing machine after doing a load of jeans. This just goes to show sometimes wealth isn't found in fortune cookies, but in our daily habits. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on 5 habits that could be draining your wallet without you even realizing it. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first money-wasting habit. First up, we have the daily coffee shop habit. It might seem harmless, but those lattes can add up. Now, don't get us wrong. There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the welcoming ambience of a cozy cafe, and the friendly banter with your favorite barista. But let's break it down. If you're splurging on a fancy latte each day, you're likely spending around $5. Multiply that by 7 days a week, 4 weeks a month, and you're looking at roughly $400 a month. Yikes. Now, consider brewing your own coffee at home. A bag of quality coffee beans might set you back $15, but it will last you a couple of weeks. That's a significant saving over time. So, before you head to the coffee shop tomorrow morning, think about how much you could save by making your own coffee. Next habit is the impulse buy. We've all been there, right? You stroll into the store for a pack of gum, and suddenly you're at the cashier with an inflatable flamingo, a 3-pack of novelty socks, and a mystical crystal that promises to bring harmony to your home. Impulse buying is a sly little habit that can quickly drain your wallet. It's when you make an unplanned purchase, often driven by emotion rather than necessity. And let's face it, we all fall into this trap from time to time. But don't despair. There's a simple remedy to this. Next time you're tempted to grab that neon flamingo, take a step back. Give yourself a 24-hour buffer period before making the purchase. This pause gives you time to assess whether you truly need the item or if it's just a fleeting fancy. Remember, just because it's on sale doesn't mean you need it. Moving on to the third habit, the unused gym membership. Now, we all start with the best of intentions, don't we? We imagine ourselves lifting weights, running marathons on the treadmill, and becoming the epitome of fitness. But then, life happens. Suddenly, that shiny gym card in our wallet becomes just a reminder of our failed resolution. Here's the reality check. If you're not regularly attending, that gym membership is just draining your bank account for no good reason. It's like buying a ticket to a concert you never attend. But don't worry, there's a solution. Consider home workouts. There's a whole world of fitness videos available online for free. Or how about outdoor activities? Jogging in the park, cycling around town, or even a game of soccer with friends. These options not only save you money, but can also be more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. If you're not going to use it, it's time to lose it. The fourth habit is falling into the brand name trap. Now, don't get me wrong. We all love our Guccis and Pradas, our Apples and our Nikes. But here's the thing. Often, generic or store brand items are just as good as their brand name counterparts. Yes, you heard it right. Let's take a trip down the grocery aisle. That store brand cereal? It's probably made in the same factory as the branded one, just packaged differently. The generic pain reliever? It has the same active ingredients as the brand name one. So, why pay more for a fancy label? The same applies to clothing, electronics, and even cars. It's all about being a savvy consumer and knowing where to save. So next time you're out shopping, don't just reach for the brand name item. Try the cheaper alternative. You might be surprised at how much you like it, and your wallet will certainly thank you. Don't let fancy labels fool you. And finally, we have the food waste fiasco. Picture this. You go to the grocery store, load up your cart with a plethora of food items, only to toss half of it out at the end of the week. Sound familiar? This common habit is not just burning a hole in your pocket, but it's also not doing any favors to our planet. A simple solution? Meal planning. By planning your meals, you'll buy only what you need, saving you money and reducing waste. Remember, your wallet isn't the only thing that suffers when you waste food. So there you have it, 5 habits that could be wasting your money. From the daily coffee shop splurges to the brand name traps, these habits can really take a toll on your wallet. Not to mention the impulse buys, unused gym memberships, and food waste fiascos. By being more mindful of these habits, you'll be saving more than just a few pennies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Booksmart Bucks for more financial literacy content. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned.